Hi guys, welcome back to Discover Zone. Jennifer here. Today I went to Flake Pie Company and we picked up some pies. It was super fun. So I'm going to show you the store, show you some of the pie options they have. They have pies, they have savory pies, they have flakies, and they have pot stick crème. So I'm going to show you the store right now. Company for sponsoring my video. When we went to the shop, they were all super friendly. The customer service is awesome and the people that work there are so nice and accommodating. So I'm going to be trying some of the pies we got. We got a savory pie and then a couple sweet pies and some flakies. So they should taste really good. First I'm going to try the savory pie and it is called Boom Chicka. So I'm going to go get that. So I got my piece of the Boom Chicka. It's basically a chicken pot pie. It looks super good. It looks like there's some fruit and vegetables in it. It is very flaky though, so I'm going to try this. So it tasted super good. It also smells really good too. There's like nice chunks of chicken and it's super creamy. It's like a very pastry pot pie. It's very flaky. It was so good. I think I'll be eating that for lunch. It's very good. I'd get it again. The next one I'm going to be trying is a sweet pie. It's called She's My Berry Pie. It has strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries in it. It should be really good. I have a piece here getting all over my hand, so I'm going to try this. So these pies are super cute. They're little personal pies. It's literally the size of my hand, but it was super delicious. I love how there's like a thin icing on top, and the inside was very gooey. There were even some chunks of fruit. It was so good. So I loved how there were so many berries in it, even chunks of berries, and the crust was really good too. The crust wasn't like dry or anything. It was nice and sweet. And the glaze on it made it very good. So I'm going to be trying that one. It's like nice and yellow in the middle. I'm not sure if the camera's going to focus on it. And then the meringue on top is like nice and golden brown. So let's see if it tastes good. So the next one I'm going to be trying is called Cookie Dough Re Mi. It has a pecan caramel filling and whipped cream on top. So I hate pecans, but this was actually really good. The pecans tasted like caramelly. And I love the whipped cream on top. It's super fluffy. And I liked how the crust on top was actually a cookie. And then it has the chocolate drizzle on it. It was super good. I definitely give it 5 out of 5 stars. I would buy it again. It was really good. So next I'm going to be trying the flakies. They're basically like really awesome toaster pastries. Like they're thick and they're gooey and they're beautiful. So the first one I'm going to be trying is the raspberry flavored one. It is super cute. It's got like a drizzle on top. So I really liked it. It tasted like a very buttery, flaky, like it tasted like a really fresh Pop-Tart. I liked the raspberries in it. They actually put a lot of raspberry filling in it and it was really good. So I really liked that one. 5 out of 5 stars. So the next one I'm going to be trying is a brown sugar cinnamon toaster pastry. Flaky. This is what it looks like, so I'm going to be trying it. The brown sugar cinnamon flaky was a little bit more dry than the other ones, and it didn't have as much filling in it, but it tasted like a cinnamon roll that was dried out. I would give it like 3 out of 5 stars because I just didn't like how dry it was, but it did taste like a cinnamon roll, so it was good, but maybe if I got one that was more fresh, it would have been better. So yeah. Next one I'm going to be trying is the strawberry flaky. This is what it looks like. It's super cute. It's like pink, white, and blue. So it's kind of like for the 4th of July. So I'm going to try this one. So the strawberry one was really good and moist. It was a lot better than the last one. But I tasted a lot of strawberry flavor. And I loved how it was decorated. It was just slightly too much sugar for me. I still give it 5 out of 5 stars because it tasted really good. But I feel like it could have had less frosting on it. But if you love frosting, it tastes like cream cheese frosting. It's really good, so that would be the one for you. So that is all that we're going to be trying today. I really liked them all. And there was one I didn't get to try, the s'mores flaky. It looked really good, but I didn't get to try it, unfortunately. So hopefully I'll be able to get to try that next time. So a little bit about Flake Pie Company. They use fresh local ingredients. They make small batch recipes. They specialize in individual pies and flakies, and they make their pies so they're for like every day, every season, not just on holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving. It's for every day. Even for birthdays, during summer, their pies are awesome. They have a huge variety of flavors, and I'm super excited. I really want to try them all. So I really loved all the pies and flakies. It was super fun to try them all. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure to stop by Flake Pie Company. I'll leave their website in the description box. They even deliver, so make sure to stop by there. Please consider subscribing. Bye!